Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking an SMS provider that matches your needs, web console plus API if you plan automation. Once chosen, sign up and verify your email and phone so the service trusts you. Make sure to add a payment method or trial credits. Without balance, you cannot send. Then obtain a virtual number or register a sender ID and activate it. This first set of steps gets you ready to compose and send messages securely and legally. Once done with verification, compose your message and think about length and tone. Standard SMS is 160 characters, so keep core info early. If you need longer texts, the system will concatenate, but costs rise, so optimize. Next, upload or sync your recipient list from CSV or CRM and segment contacts by tags. Make sure to set the correct sender ID, choose a local number for better deliverability, schedule the send time, and enable delivery receipts to track progress. You should always send a test message to one device first to confirm format and links. Once satisfied, send in controlled batches and watch delivery reports and error codes in real time so you can pause if issues appear. After sending, review metrics and set up automation or webhooks for replies. If something goes wrong, first check number formatting, use E164, ensure you have enough credit, and confirm the carrier isn't blocking the sender. Reconfigure settings and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.